Hello, welcome back, my dear students of class 11th. Dear student, I am Rajendra, your biology teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. My dear students, in the previous classes and in the previous videos, you have learned so many things regarding the classification of living world that is enclosed with the all the kingdom um, Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Plantae, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Animalia. Dear student, in this Kingdom Animalia, in the previous video you have learned so many classes like uh, Cyclostomata, superclass species, Chondriichthys, Osteichthyes, uh, class Amphibia, class Reptilia, class Aves, and now let us discuss about the class Mammalia. So, students, in this class Mammalia, several distinct features will be found that you will see several distinct features which are different from the other classes. My dear student, as far as the mammals are concerned, the mammals are having the uh, mammary glands. This is the peculiar feature of all the mammals, that mammals are having the mammary gland, and mammary gland are for feeding of the nutritional substance to the babies. And second peculiar character of the mammalia are presence of hairs and external ear, that is pinna. Presence of hair on the body, that is the another peculiar feature of the mammals which separate them from the other classes. No any other animals are having the hairs on their skin. And in this external ear, that is another peculiar character, that is called pinna, is found on the in the mammals. My dear students, other features are that four limbs which are found, and that limbs may be as fin in whale and as wings in birds. My dear students, the limbs are forelimb and hind limbs, and these limbs sometimes modified into the fin. Forelimb get modified into the fin, especially aquatic mammals like whale and dolphin, and in and that is modified as the wings, especially in the birds. पंखा बंद कर दो. Especially in the bat. So, dear student, this this feature, which is called the limb feature, which get modified into the fin or wings in the birds. Dear student, character number 4, that is warm blooded. They are warm blooded, and they are having 4-chambered heart, and they are having the closed vascular system, because since they are having the 4-chambered heart, that is the resembling with the birds, and because of the 4-chambered heart, 3-chambered heart, they are having the closed vascular system, and they perform the double circulation process. So this is another peculiar character of the mammals. Come to the other features of the mammals. My dear students, you know that all systems and organs are well developed in the mammals. Mammals are most advanced animal in the nature, so they have all the systems and organs which are in well developed condition. And come to the another features, dear student, their sexes are separate, means the male and female mammals are separate, and they perform the internal fertilization. Means uh, when they mate, they perform this internal fertilization, and all the mammals are viviparous and they excrete urea, but especially platypus which is oviparous. So my dear student, द वीवी पैरस होना इसके लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण कैरेक्टर है. दे आर नॉट एग लेइंग एनिमल्स, दे रिप्रोड्यूस देयर ओन बेबीज एंड दे excrete urea, not uric acid or not other fecal matter. They excrete urea, which is the combination of uric acid and water. And platypus is the exception, which is oviparous. So dear student, this viviparity and oviparity is that is the distinct feature of this class Mammalia. Dear student, they represent as advanced animal of this planet. हमारे इस पृथ्वी प्लैनेट के ऊपर ये सबसे ज़्यादा एडवांस एनिमल के रूप में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. And their modification found in ruminant. Certain modifications like presence of rumen in cattle like cow, buffalo, ox, etc. They are having the rumen. They collect food material into the rumen and they uh, store the food grasses into the rumen and they regurgitate these grasses and they chew these grasses and further they engulf these grasses. So my dear student, the examples are, so many examples are there: rat, bat, whale, human, ox, buffalo, cat, dog. These are all the different types of the mammals are the example of class Mammalia. My dear student, if you compare the whole thing, if you compare the whole thing of the classification right from the Porifera, kingdom Animalia, class Porifera, तो अभी हम उस पर आते हैं. उसके पहले आप थोड़ा सा इन फीचर्स को एक बार फिर से रिकैप कर लीजिए. सो दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर दैट दे हैव द मेमोरी ग्लैंड. They have the mammary gland, you have to remember it. The mammals are having the mammary gland for the feeding of their babies. Next is, that is the peculiar character, which is that hairs are found on their skin and external ear pinna, that is another peculiar character. And not only this, if you see another peculiar character, 4 limbs, they may be modified as fin and as wing in birds. So fin जो होती है वो डॉल्फिन में और व्हेल में और बैट में विंग के रूप में मॉडिफाइड होता है. दिस इज अंदर evolutionary trend which is found in these mammals. Not only this, dear student, they are the viviparous. Another peculiar character which is most important, they are viviparous except platypus which is oviparous. तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये कुछ स्पेसिफिक फीचर्स हैं जो कि क्लास मैमेलिया को अगले से सेपरेट करते हैं. कुछ रिजेंबलिंग फीचर्स भी हैं, जैसे 4 limbs and like this is tetrapod and they are warm blooded, 4 chambered heart, closed vascular system. So this resemblance is with the reptiles and aves, birds. Dear student, if you come on the topic of the comparison of the different taxonomical categories, you can compare them like You can compare them like porifera. Porifera. So porifera, they don't have the symmetry, any symmetry. There is no any symmetry is found in poriferans, no any organ. Their organization is at the cellular level, and सेलुलर लेवल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कारण इनमें जो होती हैं नीडोब्लास्ट होती हैं. नीडोब्लास्ट आर द सेल्स विच परफॉर्म डिफरेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ दीज पोरिफेरंस. एग्जाम्पल इज स्पॉन्ज एंड there is no any advancement. Their structural organization is at the cellular level. So they are the primitive animals. They are found in marine water. Their pores are present on their outer surface for the incoming and outgoing of the water. Dear student, come to the next, that is the porifera coelenterata. Next is coelenterata. तो सीलेंट्रेटा में क्या होता है बच्चों? सीलेंट्रेटा का जो स्ट्रक्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है दैट इज एट द टिश्यू लेवल. एंड इनमें क्या है कि ऑस्कुलम पाया जाता है, जिससे कि ये चीज़ों को अंदर लेते हैं और बाहर करते हैं. रीजनरेशन और बर्डिंग के द्वारा इनमें रिप्रोडक्शन होता है, और सीलोम नहीं होता. दे आर द एसिलोमेटिक, और इनमें कोई भी ऑर्गन सिस्टम प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है, neither excretory system nor reproductive system nor any other system. तो बहुत ही सिंपल होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल इज हाइड्रा. डियर स्टूडेंट, come to another that is the another class, come to another phylum, and that phylum is phylum Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. So these platyhelminthes are the animals. They are having the bilateral symmetry. In the coelenterate, they are having the radial symmetry. And these platyhelminthes, they are having the bilateral symmetry. If you cut their body, the body is divided into the two equal half. They are parasite, no any organ system is present, reproduction by the regeneration. So these are the feature of the platyhelminthes. Example is liver fluke or planaria. They should come to the next phylum, and that phylum is SK helminthes. Very excellent example, SK helminthes. The excellent examples of SK helminthes are Ascaris, which is found as a parasite in the human intestine. Ascaris. They don't have the digestive system, they don't have the respiratory system, but their reproductive system is well advanced. Sexes are separate, and they are having the bilateral symmetry, while coelentrates, they are having the radial symmetry. So these are the SK helminthes, round worm like structure. इन्हीं को बोलते हैं nematoda. They are the nematodes. So different scientists given the different names of the different phylum and classes. So you should not be confused while taking the name of this phylum. My dear student, come to the next, that is the another phylum, like phylum आफ्टर SK helminthes. कम टू द Annelida. अब यहाँ से बॉडी सेगमेंटेशन स्टार्ट होता है. Annelida, body segmented. They don't have the respiratory system. They absorb the oxygen through their skin. Apart from respiratory system, they all are having the other organ and system. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल इनका जो होता है ऑर्गन और सिस्टम लेवल का होता है. और सेक्सेज आर देयर सेक्सेज आर नॉट सेपरेट, दे आर हर्माफ्रोडाइट, मेल और फीमेल ऑर्गन एक ही पाया जाता है. तो ये हैं एनिलिड्स. एग्जाम्पल्स आर अर्थवर्म, सेंटीपीड, मिलीपीड एक्सेट्रा. इनकी बॉडी के सेगमेंटेशन को बोलते हैं मेटामेरिज्म. तो प्यारे बच्चों, आपको इसका जो है एक्सप्लेनेशन है एनिलिड्स का. एंड आफ्टर एनिलिड्स नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट, that is the arthropoda. The main feature of the arthropoda is arthropod. The main feature of the arthropod means they are having the joint appendages. Appendages means legs. इनके जो पैर होते हैं वो जुड़े हुए होते हैं. एक्सोस्केलेटन आर फाउंड एज द काइटिन. इनके ऊपर एक्सोस्केलेटन होता है. सारे सिस्टम इनके डेवलप्ड कंडीशन में होते हैं. वो ओपन वेस्कुलर सिस्टम होता है. एग्जाम्पल्स आर कॉकरोच, क्रैब, prawn, scorpio. These are the examples of these arthropods. And come to dear student, next, that is the arthropoda. Mollusk are having the shell on their body. Mollusca. So mollusks are having the shell on their body so that they can protect themselves from their enemies. And parapodia are found in these mollusks. Okay. So these are the features of the mollusk. Example is pila, sheep. These are the example of mollusca. Now come to the next, that is the after mollusca, echinodermata. So dear student, echinodermates are the example of the echinodermate, that is the starfish and starfish and next, that is they are having the radial symmetry. Spines are found on their skin and systems are developed. Then after hemichordata is the link in between the chordates and non-chordates. So dear student, you are looking here the evolutionary trend right from the poriferan to the mammals. There are a fixed evolutionary trend, and from the simple type of animal like sponges, the evolution was taken place or to the human. Some characters may be same, some characters will be different, distinguished. That character separate them from others. So my dear student, this is all about this phylum Chordata and their classes. So you have to remember and learn it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.